Hey guys, we got a little bonus footage here. I got a call from the machine shop today that our crankshaft was done. And so I went and picked it up. We're also testing out a new mic, so maybe you can hear me a little better. So, let's see. So I went and picked it up, and they said they had to turn the rods 20 under and the mains 10 under. So I went through, and I don't know if I'll bore you with all this, but I'll use the digital mic just because it's easier to show you. And so, for example, number 4, which I know that main was the one that was questionable. It was slightly under. So number 4 main is 1. Well, you can see the number. So we'll go ahead and this is the one that's out at the end where the pulley is. So (1.56405 inches). So if we're 10 thousandths under that, we should be. This is the spec. This is the spec. That was what we were before because we were under. So spec's 1574. We're 1564. So that's like spot on. Let's see. Then next, that'll use a 1 to 2 mic is the number 1 main. Those are the specs. That was our before. Number 1 main is the one up here by the flywheel, and that is the thrust surface. (19584), 19681. So that's probably a little loose. It was spot on when I checked it earlier. So we're good there. Now let me switch to the everything else is taking the 2 to 3 mics. So let me get that mic out and we'll do that one. We're back with the 2 to 3 mic. Just kind of takes a little feel, make sure you got the right measurement. So this would be the number 2 main. So we have to add 2 inches of that. 2155. Spec is 2165. So we're 10 thousandths under that, so that's right. We'll do the number 3 real quick because that should be darn near identical. (2155). So we're good on that one. Now we will go to the rods, and I won't do all of them, but if you remember from my previous videos, they were in no man's land. They were between the -1 and the -2. Said they turn them 20 thousandths under, which is 0.5 millimeters. So we will go up here to, well, we'll pick a rod. We'll pick this rod. All right, that's pretty close. 2066. Specs are 2086. So 20 thousandths under. Right there. So we are good to go on this. Now I'll go on and spend a boatload of money on some rod bearings and main bearings. The rod bearings are fairly inexpensive. The main bearings were like $300+. So I'm going to go find the deal on those, get my best, figure out my best choice for them, and I will get them on order, and we'll start putting this back together soon. Till then, well, thanks for liking and press down there and subscribe. Thanks.